Hi, I'm RIYA Vashist, celebrity makeup artist and founder of the RIYA Vashist International School of Makeup. Over the years, I've worked with so many celebrities, weddings, photo shoot, and fashion shows. Now, I want to share my expertise with you.
At the RIYA VASHIST Academy, we believe in empowering aspiring artists to reach their full potential. Whether you're just starting or want to refine your skills, our courses are tailored to every level. From bridal makeup and hairstyling to high fashion and film industry, we cover it all, including internship and real-life training. You will get personalized training in a professional environment with the latest tools and techniques. And that's not all. Our certification opens doors to incredible opportunities in the beauty industry. Our alumni have gone to work with top clients, launch their own brands, and make their mark in the industry. Now, it's your turn. Seats are limited and we are enrolling now. If makeup is your passion, let me help you turn it into your dream career. Join us at the RIYA VASHIST Academy and take the first step to become a pro makeup artist.